Hi, my name's Carrie and I am remodeling this area and I'm putting up these STICKGOO premium peel and stick wall tiles. These things look great and they're really easy to install. They have this nice 3D design to them, and so I'm using this double-sided tape. You could use an adhesive like this, but I'm using the double-sided tape and that seems to work really well. You want to ensure that the wall surface is clean and dry and you can mark it. I'm actually using this laser level, which gives me a line on the wall at level. So I'm going to install some more of these. I got one up already and it went up really well, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after I get them up. So we're still remodeling, but I am impressed with this product. Really easy to install. I used not even one roll of double-sided sticky back tape. You could also use glue, but it looks so much nicer. And you don't need to be like a home improvement specialist, handyman, to install it. It's just double sticky back tape and you put it on there. You want to get a nice straight line, but just transform the room. It looks so nice and futuristic. Looks really cool with the desk, so I still got to get my flooring in and do some other updates, but that is going to look amazing. I'm going to get some cool lights on there as well. STICKGOO, premium peel and stick wall tiles, big thumbs up.